Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can remove your Google account from another device. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Gmail app on your device and also make sure you're logged into your account. After you've opened the app, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it, then you'll see the Manage Your Google Account option. Again, tap on that option, then you'll be led to this page, and if you scroll sideways you'll see security option. You have to simply tap on that, and if you scroll downwards you'll see manage all devices option. Tap on that and it will show you all the devices that your Google account is logged into. Similarly, tap on the device that you'd like to sign out from, and on this page you'll see the sign out button. Tap on it. Again, tap on the sign out option on the pop-up, then your Google account will be successfully signed out from the device. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.